Nios Board Class 12 Public Exam and On-Demand Exam. English Subject Syllabus and Blueprint Information. Students Information Article. National Institute of Open Schooling gives students the opportunity to complete their education through a flexible learning system. Students can appear in both public exam and on-demand exam, OD. What is Nios Public Exam? Conducted mainly 2 times in a year. April to May session. October to November session. Exams are held on fixed dates. What is Nios On-Demand Exam, OD? Students can choose exam dates according to preparation. Helpful for fast result and improvement. Good option for students who want flexibility. Nios Class 12 English Syllabus and Blueprint. Important sections and marks distribution. Section. Approx Marks. Reading skills 15. Writing skills 20. Grammar 15. Literature 30. 1. Reading skills. Important topics. Reading comprehension. Unseen passage. Vocabulary-based questions. Note-making. Preparation tips. Read English articles daily. Practice comprehension passages. Improve vocabulary regularly. 2. Writing skills. Important topics. Letter writing. Report writing. Article writing. Essay writing. Notice writing. Preparation tips. Practice writing daily. Learn proper format. Improve sentence structure. 3. Grammar section. Important topics. Tenses. Modals. Active passive voice. Direct and indirect speech. Prepositions. Editing and omission. Preparation tips. Revise grammar rules regularly. Solve grammar exercises daily. Practice error correction questions. 4. Literature section. Important topics. Prose. Poetry. Supplementary reader. Character sketch. Short answer questions. Long answer questions. Preparation tips. Read chapters carefully. Learn important lines and themes. Practice question answers regularly. Public exam vs on-demand exam. Public exam. On-demand exam. Fixed schedule. Flexible schedule. Conducted twice a year. Multiple opportunities. Regular result process. Faster result. Full subject exam. Subject-wise attempt. Important tips for students. Make a daily study schedule. Practice writing skills regularly. Improve reading habit. Revise grammar daily. Solve previous year questions. Benefits of English subject. Improves communication skills. Helpful for higher education. Useful for competitive exams. Increases confidence in interviews. Join BBS BEAMS Varanasi. BBS BEAMS Welfare Organization provides Nios admission guidance, English speaking support, fast memorization techniques, brain training, career counseling. Contact Arvind Kumar Singh. Brain trainer, career counselor, mathematician, dietitian, abacus, Vedic maths and NLP trainer. Mobile 9453081534. Conclusion. Nios Class 12 English subject can become easy with regular practice, proper writing skills, grammar revision, and smart preparation. Students can score good marks in both public exam and on-demand exam through consistent study and revision.